Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to enable auto system update on this device. So first we should go to the settings and go scroll down to the about phone section, because now we need to enable the developer mode, developer options. And to do that, we just have to keep tapping here on our about number, and when you'll see just the developer mode are activated, the message, you have to go back and then just go to the system and tap to the advanced options, and here you'll see the developer options. Now just tap there, and now as can you see, we got here the automatic system updates. Just to enable the automatic system updates, tap here once on the switcher, and that's it. And if you want to just turn off the automatic system update, just tap again here on the switcher, and how it looks. And if you want to just then turn off the developer options, tap here on this switcher, and you will just deactivate your developer mode. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.